Today's press conference is regarding the FIFA Under-17 World Cup, which is going to happen in Goa from 11th October to 30th October. It's a matter of pride for we Indians and Goans that this FIFA World Cup Under-17 Women's Tournament is going to be held in Goa. So I would like to request to the Pramod Sawant government, or rather demand from them, that our children who are interested in football, our athletes who are playing football, our women footballers all across Goa who are playing for different clubs, they should be given free passes to watch these matches, and they should also be given the transport facilities to come and go. In such a way, we are only going to promote Goan football, because Goa is only known as the Mecca of Indian football. Okay, so we should work under this present government. The present government should take special initiatives to encourage young women footballers, because men footballers are already there. We are doing very good as far as boys football is concerned. So the government should do a special program to accommodate all this. At least one stand of the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Goa should be kept vacant for the school children and the athletes and the footballers who are presently playing in Goa, and should be given free passes and free transport services for them. So I would request and demand from the Pramod Sawant government that TMC demands that some special arrangement should be done for our young footballers and to promote football in the state.